Okay, in this lesson, I want us to look at angles on a parallel line. I want us to determine the missing measures of each angle, and I want us to talk about why. Why the angle measures are the way they are. So the first thing is I have told you that the measure of angle 2 is 75 degrees. Okay? And so now I want to look at all the different relationships. And as we look at this, I want you to realize there is more than one answer. Or not more than one angle measure, but there's more than one way we could get the answer. Okay? So first off, angle 1, I want you to notice that these two angles make a straight angle. Angle 1 is supplementary with angle 2, which means together they should add up to 180. So 180 minus 75 is 105 degrees, right? So angle 1 is 105 degrees. Okay, now angle 3. Let's check out angle 3. So we have a lot of different things we could say for angle 3. We could say that it's supplementary with angle 1. I also want you to notice, here's my vertex. Angle 2 and angle 3 are vertical angles. It's a vertical angle with angle 2. Well, remember, vertical angles are congruent. They're equal. So if angle 2 is 75 degrees, then angle 3 is 75 degrees. I also could have said 180 minus 105, and it would have given me 75. Okay, angle 4. Notice angle 4, it's supplementary with angle 3. It's supplementary with angle 2. It's also a vertical angle with angle 1. Vertical angles are equal. So that means angle 4 is 105 degrees. So let me write these numbers down. Okay, now this is where we have to start thinking, get a little more creative, because now we've got to go down to these angles here on the bottom of the transversal. So let's think about angle 5. How does it relate to some of these angles up here? Well, I want you to see that angle 5 and angle 1 are corresponding. So it corresponds, it's corresponding with angle 1. Corresponding or equal. I also want you to see that angle 5 and angle 4, they're interior angles. They are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are also equal. Okay? So we can very easily say that this is 105 degrees. So that should make, just knowing that makes the rest of the angles easier, right? But I want to go ahead and relate these angles to some of the ones up top, okay? Angle 6, notice it is alternate interior with angle 3. It also is corresponding with angle 2. Again, those are equal. So that means angle 6 is going to be 75 degrees. Okay, it's also supplementary right here. Okay, do you start seeing some vertical angles now? Angle 7. I want you to see that angle 7 and angle 2 are alternate exterior angles. It is also corresponding with angle 3. So lots and lots and lots and lots of different reasons that angle 7 is 75 degrees. And so then it should be obvious angle 8 is 105 degrees. Okay, so it gets a little bit tricky, but we should see kind of a pattern here in how that's going. Okay.